YouTube, as you can see, we are back, and look where we are at. We're at Tire Wise. If you don't know what Tire Wise is, it is a self-service car wash. And yeah, I got a little lazy today, so let's do a little everything. Let me get my card. Let me get up. Let me get up. I got out. I got wet though. But yeah, man, this is what we're doing for the day. This is what we are doing for the day. We are getting a little car wash. Let's watch the car wash happen as well. Take a picture for the gram. Since we are very lazy, this is how we get down. This is my first time ever doing this. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. This is another POV. Another little POV for y'all. I should have turned off the car, right? Give me a second. Give me a second, chat. Oh my God. Let's get out of there. But yeah, man, yeah, this is how we wash in the car. You're gonna get the whole process. I might record a little TikTok too for niggas. This would be a good TikTok, right? Let me post this on my car channel. If you're not following the gram, make sure y'all following the gram. Oh my God, you see it. Make sure y'all follow the gram. This shit getting dick down right now. Oh, my bad. Let's get out of there. We getting wet. Pause. Yeah, I think I should make a little TikTok, right? What's that for the glass? I can jack that. Let me get out of the way. Nah, fuck a TikTok. Nah, I think making a TikTok is a little, is reasonable. But not today. Like, my grill is open. Oh my God. I'm getting caught in that shit. That shit away from me. I'm going this side. I'm going this side, chat. Yeah, after this, we're gonna do a little POV, but this is gonna be a little wash. This is a little wash day. Never been here before. We're gonna see how it's moving. Feel me? Type shit. Niggas see me with the camera on my head, but it's like, who cares, nigga? I'm faking in the middle of nowhere right now. I don't wanna get wet. I don't wanna get wet, chat. I might go get a drink. I might go get a little drink. How I'm looking? I'm looking cute. Just trying to angle it up a little bit. I don't know if this helped, but I know it did something. What's going on now? Somebody's behind me. Somebody's behind me trying to get this shit washed. My shit getting air dried right now. This might be a little go-to spot. tire feel nice. Why is there water still coming out though? Like, it's literally dripping back on the car. I think that's the last one. It might be the last one, John. Are we done? Yep. We are done. Damn, bitch, I heard you. It's still fake. It's still fake wet, dude. Still fake wet, dude, but you feel me? Nice wash. Nice wash. And I need washer fluid. But yeah, man, now we're gonna do a little POV for y'all. I'm about to go somewhere real quick. Put it in sport. Gotta plug my charger in. Oops, wrong charger. Yo, do y'all know how to drive with y'all knee? I feel like driving with the knee is very essential. Hold on. As y'all can see, I got the big body cam. Ooh, I forgot to take a picture of me getting a car wash. Damn, I just did that for no reason. Yeah, I might go to that spot often. That was a cool little spot. How long we been recording for? I don't know. But we're gonna keep the vid running. Little slight car wash, slight POV. Yeah, I didn't get a bath. Like, I'm just trolling. Can this mess up my car? Let me know, chat. But yeah, I'm not gonna roll my windows down. I don't roll my windows down after I get a car wash. Look at this fool. Traffic. That wash was too quick for them to wash the undercarriage and all that, bro. Can't lie. I feel like I just got scammed. And they gave me a basic car wash when I paid for the premium. It's whatever though. It's whatever though, chat. I need to go in that lane. Catch me in that lane. Niggas look like they be flying down the block. But yeah, man, I'ma just record POVs until I get the parts that be coming in, because now this is where the parts take a little while to come, because I'm gonna order a new exhaust. But I will be getting an Alibaba exhaust, so I'm pretty sure them shit says it'll take a while to come. Oh, it's not the same Porsche. I thought that was the same Porsche I was jacking, but It said those shits usually take a while to come. So I don't know. Hopefully I can see good too. You motherfuckers gotta learn how to drive. But yeah, alley exhaust, carbon hood, shit like that. Okay. Okay. Okay, Hemi. But yeah, chat, I'm not gonna do a lot of long POV because I'm pretty sure that car wash was long. Probably there for like 10 minutes. I don't wanna give y'all more car wash time than POV time. What type of content creator would I be? I know y'all not here to see me get a fucking car wash. Y'all here to hear this beast, right? And my GoPro got a charge too, so. I see a little Hemi and Charger in front of me. He got his at on the back of his shit. What that say? 601.Hemi. Let me hear that. Let me hear that shit, man. I need some car friends out here, man. I don't got no car friends out here for real, chat. I'm just a lone wolf out here in Houston, but fuck it. I only want BMW friends though, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm only jocking the BMW community, bro. Hate me or not, I'm gonna stick to the beams, bro. I love the BMWs. Traffic. What, you jogging my shit, man? Traffic, man. Well, chat, it was fun while it lasted. And as y'all can see, I got the AC on today. I try to not use my AC. What the fuck was that sound? I'm trying to not use my AC as much while I drive. But, nigga, I'll be hot, nigga, like I'm in Houston, bro. I gotta go in this lane, bro. Like, the fact that I was right behind the Hemi and I stay in this lane and now this shit is all the way up there. Like, what we gonna title this vid? We gonna title this vid POV car washing, cutting up. Or fuck POV, cutting up, nah. I'm a clickbait. I'm gonna start being a clickbait. Y'all gonna hate me for that? Does that nigga have a... What logo is that on the back of his windshield, chat? That's some demonic shit. I might have to get away from this demon, bro. Who they got me behind right now? Okay, we getting through the traffic. Yeah, make sure I like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications if you guys are new to the channel. I'm pretty sure most of y'all, like 90% of the people that watch my vids aren't subscribed, so what's going on, bro? Y'all don't fuck with me enough to hit the subscribe button? Like, it's free to show love, gang. Like, y'all don't want to see a black brother get rich off driving his expensive car? Come on now. Come on now, it's free to support, bro. The more subs I get, the later I can get, and you feel me? Y'all gonna put money in my pocket for free, you feel me? Y'all don't even gotta spend money to put money in my pocket. I just want y'all to understand that. Y'all don't gotta spend money to put money in my pocket. So like, if you're a kind, genuine person who wanna just, you know, wanna see me win, wanna see me get more parts, wanna see me drive more cars to provide better content, hit that sub button, man. Cause 90% of y'all are not subbed. I don't know what's that about. I'm gonna get the exact percentages. I'm gonna have the exact percentages pop up right here, but yeah, man, hit the subscribe button, man. Yo, my bad, y'all. My shit died. My shit died, y'all. I can't even front, but yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I don't remember how much time set on the GPS before my shit died, but yeah. But I'm gonna end the video here anyways. But I didn't want to end it on some abruptly, like, you know, miscellaneous dead GoPro shit. So make sure I like, comment, subscribe, turn on them noties. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Hopefully it's we're gonna see if it's a POV, if it's a new car part, car meet, who knows? But it's gonna be some content real soon. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you on the next vid.